Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount. You get 7 different varieties of Japanese ramen in these, and rarely do I find one that I've ever seen before. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. Wow. So when you open up one of these boxes, the first thing you'll see is this little card. And on it, it's got a link, and you can go to that site and get all the information on preparation and everything about each thing that's in this box. So don't lose it! Alright, well that's exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go through each thing and tell you a little bit about it. The first one we have from Yamadai, aka New Touch. This is Osaka Kasu Yakisoba. So, looks to be a yakisoba. When I review it, you'll get to know a little more about it. And we've got another yakisoba. This is by Myojo, and this is their Sharumera Elmori Stamina Gen Tare Maze Soba. Yeah, a lot of these varieties I've been trying lately mention this stamina sauce or stamina. I'm pretty sure it has to do with garlic, but I could be totally wrong, so clue me in if you know, okay? Next up, we've got an Ace Cook variety. This is their Jorantai Kansu Yokosuka Kaigun Curry Udon. Yep, you can't go wrong with curry, unless it's too sweet. I don't like super sweet curry, but we will see what we get. And another Ace Cook variety. This is their Toyama Kensan Shiro Ibidashi Shio Ramen. So ibidashi would be a shrimp broth thing going on. I really don't know. I'm guessing from the color on it, it's just going to be like a shrimp shio. It's very light on the packaging, so I think it's going to be kind of like a light one. We'll see. Here we've got a variety from Marutai. This is their Tategata Takkana Ramen. Yeah, the Marutai products are insanely good, especially the straight noodles that I've had. Some of the cups have been pretty good too, so curious about this one. Then from Tokushima Seifun, we've got Kinchan Tokushima Ramen. And I swear I just had this, but this is more of a bowl rather than a cup. They're calling this a cup. It's a bowl, so it's funny. Different countries refer to these as cups or bowls. I'm calling this a bowl. And finally, to round out the set, we've got Sapporo Ichiban's Tabimen Sapporo Miso Ramen. I think I've had this one, or at least I've had ones from this range, and they're really quite good. The Tabimen stuff is really nice. I think that's... Yeah. I think I've had this one. Alright, so in this, the Japanese road trip box from Zenpop.jp for September 2022, you get Stamina, more yakisoba, miso, Kinchan, curry, ibidashi shio, a really fancy one, and your info card. Well, big thanks to the folks over at Zenpop.jp for shooting these over. I really love these boxes. They're really cool, and I really appreciate it. So thank you. And if you want to get one, head on over to Zenpop.jp. Use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. All right, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.